Hey guys, what's going on? Brandon Alonzo with the Investors Loft, and I'm back. I want to tell you guys today how I raised my credit score over 100 points and also started saving better at the same time with a new product. Well, it's new to me anyway. But you guys stick around if it's something you're interested in.
Had no need to fight tonight.
Hey guys, what's up? Brandon Alonzo, and I'm back here with the Investors Loft. Today I want to talk about a product called self-lender. Hence the word self-lender. You're basically going to be lending money to yourself. Now, it's not a traditional loan where you go to the bank, you get your money, and you spend it like you want. This is basically you putting money into an FDIC insured CD account. Now, the bank is City National Bank of New Jersey. That's what's going to show up on your credit report in about 30 to 45 days, so you have a clear expectation after you sign up. There is going to be a $9 or $15 administration fee. It really depends on the product that you choose. And there will also be maybe 3 to 4 different products that you can choose from when you get to the self-lender website. And I'm going to drop a link below so you can get right to it if you want to start looking at it. Now, the interest that you make is minimal. It's maybe a few bucks at most. Depending on your terms, you may pay anywhere between 50, 70, 80 bucks total in fees or APRs over the 12-month or 24-month course. But I don't want that to scare anybody away, because when you're looking at getting into repairing your credit, or you're getting into even having a low credit score, your interest rates are going to be higher on loans. So you somewhat have to pay to play in order to get into the game, and then later on down the road, you'll be able to get a car, or you'll be able to get a really big purchase like a home with a super low APR instead of something really high like what you have now, because your credit score is so low. So if you want to really look at it like a long-term investment, you're putting a little bit of money, or you're paying a little bit of extra interest with this every month. But that's because you're looking at the long picture, where you're like, hey, I want to get a car. I want to make sure I'm not paying 10% on that and I'm only paying 3%. So it's a big difference with somebody pulling off the lot. You two guys can have the same exact car, and your payment can be $120 more because you're paying 10% instead of paying 3%. $120 a month? Come on. Like, this is the importance of having a good credit score, so you get those low APRs later on. So again, if you have to pay a little now, then that's going to save you in the long run. I hope you get the logic of what I'm saying, guys. So make sure that you're making all of your payments on time, because they are again reporting to all 3 of the credit bureaus. So you want to make sure that you're timely and that your score is going to continue to increase month after month, because that's the goal. It's really an investment at the end of the day. Everything I bring is basically an investment in yourself, so you can get to a better place later on in life. So small sacrifices, as you know, will take you to those places that you want to be. Now, whether you choose a 12-month plan or whether you choose a 24-month plan, pick something that works for you. I did the 25 because I thought it was important to make sure that I'm doing something that's really easy for me and it's not too stressful, but it is going to report accurately, and it's going to be monthly, every month, me paying on time, and it's going to report to those 3: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Even if you have those really low scores, let's say 620 and below, you can still get a self-lender account, which is going to help you boost your credit. It's going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, that's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. And you don't even need a cosigner. You don't need previous credit history. You don't need any of that. So they're not even going to pull a credit check. It's not even going to be a hard inquiry on you. So this is kind of a no-brainer to anybody who's looking to increase their credit. If they have a low credit score, whether it's damaged or you're trying to repair it, this is a good addition to it. So again, this can help anyone, but this is really going to help people with a 620 or below credit score to really get to that next level as far as being approved for better cars. Honestly, before I started this, I was only able to get a secured card. I got 2 secured cards in my wallet, and now a few months later, my credit score is boosted over 100 points, and I now have rewards cards in my wallet. So you have different tiers of wallets that you, or different tiers of credit cards that you get, of course, you have the secured where you're putting your own money down, and that's the collateral for the bank. That's good enough for them. Great. You still get a credit check though. Then you have the regular cards where you don't have to put anything down, but they approve you for a limit, maybe 300, 500, depending on, you know, your credit score. And then you have rewards cards where you start to get some benefits back from using your credit. Now, Self-Lender has a bonus. They're gonna include credit monitoring. Now, this is gonna be your Vanguard credit score, not your FICO score. So I want you to beware. Your Vanguard score that they're giving you for free included, it could be anywhere from 20 to even 60 points off sometimes. So you want to be careful. You want to make sure that you're looking at your actual FICO score, because the FICO score is what lenders are actually going to be looking at when they're trying to see your credit worthiness, okay? So if you give it a few months and you actually try to repair your credit, or you try to start building your credit the right way with the right tools, then you can really get somewhere. And this is just a tool that worked for me. I'm bringing it to you guys so you guys can, you know, reap the benefits essentially. This is gonna help you boost your credit score and start saving like a boss. So I think it's something that can really benefit anybody, whether you have an okay credit score or if you're below 620 and you need a little bit of help. Anybody below 620, I think, should really consider getting into Self-Lender and seeing if it's something that's a good fit for you, like I said. And what I'll do, guys, is leave a link in the description. That's gonna help you get to Self-Lender quickly and sign up. You can use my link. You don't have to. You can go right to the website. It's totally up to you. But you put your $9 to $15 down as far as the administration fee. You set up your terms, which is gonna be, I believe, 24 to 12 months, depending on the length of time you wanna set it as. And your monthly payments can honestly range from 25 bucks to, I think, 100, 150 maybe per month. And regardless of the terms that you choose, the most important thing is for you to make your payments on time. Now, guys, Brandon Alonzo here with the Investors Loft. It's been a pleasure. I just want to, like I said, bring you guys some stuff that's going to help you. It may be a little loud, they're cutting grass around here. It's a lot of stuff going on, but if you like the video, throw a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. If you don't like the video, double tap thumbs down. I'm not mad at you, player. Enjoy your day. Hopefully it helps. Link in the description. Peace. Love. Y'all be easy, man.
You.